How do you find cartridges that work well for tattooing and permanent makeup? Today we're testing the Wormhole round liner tattoo cartridges. It's a professional choice for both permanent makeup and tattoo artists. Let's find out how they work. Stay until the end. This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. The Wormhole Tattoo Supply is a well-known brand from China that offers a wide range of tattoo equipment, including machines, cartridges, pigments, and accessories. The brand belongs to Guangzhou Import and Export Trading Co. It founded in 2002 in Guangzhou City. Let's start with the packaging. The cartridges come in a gray box with the Wormhole logo, product name, and needle configuration. There is also information about popular needle configurations for tattoo and permanent makeup. The box contains 20 individually packed cartridges. Each is sealed and labeled with full configuration details. This is 10-1RL and standard information on the individual package about sterilization, lot number, and expiration date. Now more details about these cartridges and my first impression. The Wormhole cartridges have a short and thick tip. I like more thin and long tip, but ink doesn't splash in. Pigment flows smoothly during my test. If you choose right of the needle protrusion, the pigment flows and lays down evenly, but for good pigment flow I had to adjust the needle protrusion to a short length, even with the needle stroke of 3.5 mm. In my opinion, the draw on the latex with these cartridges has a little big pixel size for diameter of 10. If you compare the same needle diameter of 10 in the Wormhole and PMU or Y-Miser, for example, the Wormhole pixel is larger. The needle sharpening in PMU and Y-Miser is sharper and thinner than Wormhole needle. In the official website, its price is about $19 for box with 20 cartridges. It's compatible with different tattoo equipment from many companies. Let's take our cartridges apart. We see a plastic case. There is a standard system in all cartridges which gives us the opportunity to fix the cartridge in the tattoo machine. This is our click sound. A membrane is medium hard. I like work with this membrane. I feel the hatching on the skin well, but my stroke is not hard. Needles are made of 304 medical grade Japanese steel. The Wormhole doesn't have an additional system of stabilization of the needle. Without an additional needle stabilization, the cartridge often has a strong noise during the work. Easy to identify. Gray tips and different color tail cover help you to recognize the type needle configuration. All variants have on the official website. Great color is round liner 1RL. Let's work with them. I'm gonna test it. My working voltage 5 and the needle stroke 3.5. This cartridge has a noise You can hear it. Let's begin. Guys, let's sum up our video review. The Wormhole Cartridges is a well-known brand from China that offers a wide range of tattoo equipment. It has a short and thick tip, but ink doesn't splash in and pigment flows smoothly. In my opinion, the throw on the latex with these cartridges has a little big pixel size for diameter of 10, and the needle sharpening is less thin. A membrane is medium hard. I felt the hatching on the skin well, but my stroke wasn't hard. The Wormhole cartridges have the popular needle configurations for tattoo and permanent makeup. You can work with different techniques and skin. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.